Welcome everyone to this week's edition of Where is Your Stop? It is January 14th, 2015, and this week we're going to talk about a loser. That's right, losing, and what that looks like. So a lot of people have asked, Josh, you could do a great job of showing, essentially what those winners looks like, but what essentially does one of those losing trades turn out to look like? Well, let's look at an example with regards to Thailand. And the reason why Thailand is we had just brought up in the Hawking perspective that Myanmar is opening up their market to the outside public. And so close enough to the region, kind of ancillary peripheral would be Thailand. And so we ended up using THD as in terms of an ETF that kind of gives a representation of that. Back in 2011, we essentially got a little choppy in here, a little whipsawed, and then all of a sudden in 2012, we kind of rode that trend up into 2013. In 2013, we got out on this pretty strong move down here, ended up getting short. And didn't materialize too much, but we did get out of that short for a small win, and then we ended up getting long here right at about June of 2014. Of course, our stop is way outside the noise, and then as we could see, Thailand moves up in a pretty uniform manner, both in terms of volatility and in terms of price action. And so our stops move up in a very uniform manner as well. Sure enough, Thailand ends up rolling over, and then after it rolls over, it breaks. Once it breaks, you can see that we're outside of the noise still on this stop, and then sure enough, boom, we stop out. Where we go from here, who knows? Thailand can continue to go all the way down to 64, and thus we've saved ourselves from that kind of decline, or we could have another turn up here if we break above 80. And become another potential long opportunity. But we can see here that in terms of our stop, we were able to not have receive that full loss, but we were able to essentially get out for a small loss, and that's the definition of what proper trading is trying to keep those losers small and keep those winners big in relation to each other. Love hearing from you guys. It's the new year, so don't hesitate to reach out to us. Lots of great questions already pouring in. Hit us out on anything that you would like for us to look at and go over. Here's to beating random and staying outside of the noise. We look forward to talking with you guys next week.